I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you want to cancel the auto renewal for your YouTube Premium subscription, follow these steps. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the premium subscription. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you can find account settings. Step 3. Go to Purchases and Memberships. In the account menu, select Purchases and Memberships. This section contains all your subscriptions and purchases linked to your account. Step 4. Manage your membership. Find the YouTube Premium subscription in the list and click on it. Look for the option that says Manage Membership to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Cancel auto renewal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you missed the cancel membership button, it might be hidden under a different menu, so keep an eye out for any prompts that ask about your subscription status. I hope this helps you manage your YouTube Premium subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.